Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sweetie Belle from My Little Pony. So let's get started. To draw Sweetie Belle, we're going to first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big oval. I'm just going to come right here, draw a big oval. And then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to add a curve coming this way. Since it's kind of like a profile, so I'm going to come right here and just curve up. And I'm going to add two highlights right here. And another one. And then let's go ahead and shade this all in. And the lines right here. So we're going to imagine the center is right here, so we're just going to radiate some lines, so maybe about 2. And then let's come up here, we're going to add some lashes, so maybe 3. So go 1, 2, and then a longer one. There. Okay, so we have the eye in. Now we're going to come in the center of this eye. So your oval right here. So let's say about right here. Let's come out a little bit. I'm going to give myself a point. And from right here, I'm going to draw a curve. It goes up. Just kind of following your oval. So I'm just going to go up. It's going to go above the eye. So about right there, I'll stop. And then right here, I'm going to pop out the little nose. So come right here. And we're going to come out just a short little curve. And then we're going to round it off right here for the nose. And then we're going to bring it down. So as we bring it down, we're going to follow our oval for the eye. So about right here. And before we keep going, let's come about right here. We're going to put a little smile on our pony right here. So let's come about right here and cap it off. So cute already, right? Okay, so then let's continue this curve. And we'll stop about right there. So kind of where the eye ends. Okay, so then from there, now we're going to draw all this, the mane and the horn and the ears. So let's see here. Let's bring this up a tiny bit more. So about right there, we're going to stop. And then let's draw a curve that comes right close to the eye. So we're going to come right here, curve it down, close to the eye, and then we're going to loop it up. And curl it in. There. So then from that point, we're going to come up right here. Continue this curve out. So say about that high. So just step back and take a look at your pony. And then you can make your adjustments in higher or lower. So about right there, I'll stop. And then I'm going to come in this area and draw a little horn. So about right here. Angle, curve, and in. And I'm just going to add a little curve right here. Okay, so then from there, let's start to come in and draw the ear. We're going to come about in this area. Imagine this, the forehead, it's going to come through. So about this area, we're going to draw a curve. And then from there, say about right here, we can bring in an ear. So let's come up and come out with a big long ear, round off the corner, and we're going to shoot back down to where the eye is. So about right here. And then come in here, we're going to draw a curve for details. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come back so we kind of figure out the proportions. So we're going to come underneath the eye, this curve right here, and let's come out and draw the chest area. So curve, and then let's come back. So right underneath this ear, in this area, let's draw the first curve for the mane. And then bring it in right under the ear and curl it. So that's one. And so then we're going to draw another one. So I'm going to come this area and we're going to get following this curve. So about right here. So I hope that curve helps you to see it. So we're just going to come, it's kind of like the same. And let's come back over here. And so let's say about right here, I'm going to start to loop it. I know it looks a little bit complicated, but I hope I'm making it easy for you to follow along. So let's go ahead and connect it to that point. There. Okay, so that we have that in, let's come back up here. So we can start over here, make it a little bit easier. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. Pops out and it's going to curve in. Then I'm going to loop it above my horn, so that's why it's a small horn, and we're going to come up over our horn and we're going to aim to say about right here. So aim to there, bring it down to the ear. And then let's come in here for some details. I'm just going to draw a little curve right here to separate the colors. And then that's pretty much it for the mane. So then now let's start to work on the body. So now that we have this curve in and we have the mane all done, let's come to about this area. So where the body, the back would be. So about right here, I'm going to bring out a curve. So notice how I'm kind of, now we're continuing, but it's nice and level. Then we can go ahead and bring this down more. So it's just kind of like building a little oval for the body. So then let's bring this down more, curve it in. So then let's work on this side first. So we're going to come in about right here where the front legs would be. So let's come out, down. Not too long, so maybe about right here. I'll stop and come over here. Another curve. So right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. Nice and soft. And we're going to imagine this curve continuing for a little oval body once again. So say about right there, I'm going to stop and come in here. A curve. This is going to curve in, and now this part is going to pop out, and now we can go ahead and finish this curve. So it's going to be the same level. So then right here and connect. There. Okay, so finally, let's come over here. We're going to draw the back, front legs. We're just kind of drawing the same thing, curving out, and we're going to end it up higher. And same thing over here, just to make it simpler. There. Now for her tail. So it's going to be a really long and big tail. So let's come right here. And we're going to continue this curve up, nice and high. And then let's come back right here. And in this area, we're going to curve in. And then let's round it off and bring it up. And let's see here, we can come right here and connect it. Then let's continue the bottom. So we're about right here. Let's come down. So about right here, I'll curve it in with a loop. Loop it right here. And let's see here, right here, we're gonna go up and connect everything. There, nice soft curves, right? And then last, let's come in here. We're gonna draw another curve because there's two colors. So this curve separates the colors in her tail and curve it in. There, all done, except of course the cutie mark. So I'm going to simplify the cutie mark for Sweetie Belle here. It's a star in the emblem, but I'm just going to draw the star right here because I don't have enough space. So I'm going to just go ahead and draw a star. And then there's a music note inside, so little music note. Hopefully you can see that. And that is pretty much it for this cute Sweetie Belle from My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crusaders. Hope you love how it turned out and inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.